Okay, so we're on to 17D, which is part 82. In line 17 is the 6EQUJ5. E is Euler's number, natural logarithm, functions while SETI. Based on the math equation 14, 1, 113, 2, and 1, found in the WOW-SETI 1977 alien radio signal. January 20th, 2012, 9:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My thoughts. Euler's number E stands out here, and it reminds me of the WOW signal equation, 6EQUJ5, where the E is for Euler's number. The 14.4057577 megahertz hydrogen line. That was the line that it came on the signal, on the radio signal for SETI. I discovered the hydrogen line factor on January 13, 2012, 10:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I didn't know what it was before. So if E is the base of the natural logarithms, see the diagram below for more about this. I keep getting this feeling that what I'm about to post here has something to do with explaining the physics of why the neutrinos are able to travel faster than the speed of light. That is what's coming to mind from the Maya thoughts. Take these concepts, I'm stumped, I don't get it, and apply them to your neutrino theories to see if it will fill in the blanks. Maya thoughts here. We can still take the various letters, their meanings, and try to fit them together like puzzle pieces to see what we come up with. I haven't done that yet. What I'm talking about is the letters in this signal here. That was the alien signal that came up in the binary code. I'm still going to take each letter and what the meaning of them is and put it together and see if it forms some sort of thought with it. Okay? I'll try and remember to do this at the end. I want to look at all the data first and see what comes up on its own. So E, the base of the natural logarithms. Since I don't know what natural logarithms are, I Googled it. The number E is an important mathematical constant, approximately equal to 2.71828. That is the base of the natural logarithms. Okay? There's some more mathematical stuff here on the wiki thing. I'm not going to read it all. It's talking about why it's called Euler's number. And it's named after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler. And it's also called Euler's constant, and it's also known as Napier's constant. All 5 of these numbers play important and recurring roles across mathematics and are the 5 constants appearing in one formulation of Euler's identity. Like the constant pi, E is irrational. It is not a ratio of integers, and it is transcendental. It is not a root of any non-zero polynomial with the ratio coefficients. The numerical value of an E truncated to 50 decimal places is... See how long that number is? That's the value of it. It's way bigger than pi. Sequence A001113 in OEIS. I never Googled the OE. Huh? Okay, something's telling me to look at this just for a second and see what it is. Online Encyclopedia of Integer Sequences. Sloan's. It's an online database of integer sequences. Created and maintained. Oh, okay. So we should look and see if that sequence of 6EQ thing ever comes up in there. Wouldn't that be cool? Try it out, guys. If you can get into that OEIS thing, see if your 6EQUJ thing comes up in there. And here's a diagram. Graph the natural logarithm function. Graph of the natural logarithm function. That's what it looks like. Starts from the bottom, works up, and then angles to the right. Kind of like a bowling ball. You know how you throw your bowling ball down the center and then the damn thing veers off to the right? Well, there you go. It's kind of the same idea. The function slowly grows to positive infinity as x increases, and it rapidly goes to negative infinity as x approaches 0. Slowly and rapidly as compared to any power law of x. The y-axis is an asymptote. Didn't Google those. I wanted to cut it down, right? So, January 20, 2012, 9:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My thoughts on natural logarithm. X approaches 0 as a UFO approaches a planet. Okay, that's the question. Okay, so next is line 17E.